Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be tie-dyeing. I'm going to be doing just a simple, easy swirl tie-dye. So let's get started. So if you're just starting to tie-dye, of course you're going to need just a plain white shirt. I get a bunch of these are either Walmart, Target, or Amazon. You're going to need some rubber bands, and then you're going to need, this is what I've been using, the Rit Dye. Now this is all-purpose dye. It goes on cotton, wool, nylon, and you can do like 500 different colors if you mix them together. So how I make my tie-dye in these bottles, so I buy these bottles separately. I buy them on Amazon. I'll have the link down below. So what I do is I put 1 cup of water, and then I put 1 tablespoon of dye in it, and I give it a good shake, and there you have it. Now you can use these on your shirts. All right, I'm gonna protect my hands because my hands are already red from tie-dyeing. So we're gonna take the shirt and you're gonna submerge it in water, and you don't want it too drenched, so just wring out the excess water. You just want it nice and damp. All right, so I've got this storage bin and I've got this rack, because you don't want the shirt completely submerged in all of the colors. That would not look good. So this is what I'm gonna use. But first, you're gonna take your shirt. So to do the swirl effect, you're gonna find a spot on your shirt to do this. So I'm gonna go right in the middle. So you're gonna pinch it and just start swirling it. All right, and there you have it. Take your rubber bands and secure your shirt. So I'll have one going across and then one going the other direction. Just make sure you have some sections to work with. So I'm just gonna move these so that each section is the same. All right, you guys, now that you have your rubber bands on, so this was the front of it. If you turn it around, this is the swirly effect that you get. So we're gonna be starting with this. So we're gonna take our little Tupperware and we're gonna put the shirt right on top of there. And now we're gonna start with our colors. I am gonna go with yellow, teal, pink. We're gonna do purple and green. We're just gonna work in sections. We're gonna start with this one. And go ahead and just drench the whole entire section in the color dye. And I'm just gonna continue. So let's do the yellow. And this is a neon yellow, which is awesome. Let me do this blue on this side. All right, you guys, we are all done with the tie-dye. I'm gonna wait about 8 hours for it to soak in. All right, you guys, this has been sitting here for about 16 hours, a little longer than what I wanted it to be, but I just didn't have enough time to film this. So this is all done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the rubber bands out and we are gonna see how beautiful this is gonna look. Okay, here we go. That is so beautiful. Look at that. It's a perfect tie-dye spiral. I am loving the colors. That neon yellow is really standing out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this under cold water. So go ahead and just squeeze out the colors and just keep on doing this until pretty much the water runs clear. That's how I do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just scrub it a little bit. Don't use soap.
Just use cold water.
All right, you guys, so you can also just throw this in the wash, cold water without anything, and that should remove the excess color so it doesn't bleed through any of the other colors. But I just like to do it this way, run it under cold water until the water runs clear, which takes, I don't know, a couple minutes. All right, make sure to wring it out. Let's throw it in the dryer. All right, you guys, what do you all think? This is a very simple, easy spiral tie-dye. I absolutely love how this one turned out. There's some white spirals in there too. Loving all the colors. I just wish there was a little bit more purple in the mix too. But here is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this do-it-yourself tie-dye tutorial. Stay tuned for more tie-dye videos coming soon.